Good morning, guys, from here in beautiful Alberta, Canada. It's a nice day today. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? Bright sun, blue sky, just a few clouds. And man, I should really get out to the mountains. You know, the mountains are just a hop, skip, and a jump from me. I don't know, you know, I've always been thinking I should buy a car that is actually kind of good on gas, so it's not so expensive to drive. I mean, even though it's a hop, skip, and a jump, still, it's like it costs money, right? If you have a gas guzzling truck, or you have some vehicle that's just costs a lot of money on gas. Guzzling, if a car is a gas guzzler, it uses a lot of gas. And in English, gas means gasoline. Okay, the liquid gas that you put in your car, that's called gas. Other countries call it gasoline. Okay, like the air, the gas that you burn, like cook with, that's called natural gas here. Other countries call that gas. So just so you know, in English, in Canada here, we call the stuff you put in your car gas. Okay, the stuff you use to cook on, that is called natural gas. Okay. Oh, look at this apple tree here, guys. Look at these nice little apples. That's awesome. Oh, I think I'm reaching a dead end over there. Better hop over the creek right here. All right, guys, so I should buy a fuel efficient car so that I can just drive to the mountains for like 10-20 bucks. That'd be nice, because the mountains from here to the mountains is about maybe 45-minute drive, so it's really not that bad. I'm just gonna run across the road, guys. All right, I made it. Okay, so do you know what hop, skip, and a jump means? I said that. The mountains are just a hop, skip, and a jump from where I am here. Okay, so guys, there's a lot of people out here. Everywhere I look, there's people. Just gonna hang out by this little creek. Nice little creek. Okay, so hop, skip, and a jump means a short distance. Okay, did you know that? Smash like if you didn't know that. Look at this nice tree. Oh, sometimes I like to pick these berries. I like juniper. This kind of a tree, this kind of a plant is a juniper. These are juniper trees, guys. Juniper bushes. I don't know. Is it a tree or a bush? Some sort of a juniper. I like their berries. I love the smell of juniper. It smells just nice and fresh. It's awesome. So a hop, skip, and a jump means a short distance. Now, it's all relative. I'm saying the mountains, nice, beautiful mountains here in Alberta, the Rocky Mountains, you know, Banff National Park. Remember on my cross Canada trip, I showed you guys the mountains. They're just beautiful. And that's close. It's not far. It's like a 45-minute drive away from me. Maybe an hour drive. To get right into the middle of the mountains, it's about an hour drive for me. So it's really not far. So I could say it's just a hop, skip, and a jump. Okay, look at these nice sunflowers here, guys. Wow, those are looking nice, and these beautiful little pink, purpley pinkish flowers. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So guys, you know, you can use this word to mean that something is close, something is nearby. You could say, you know, I like living in a city because all the conveniences like shopping and stuff like that, that's just a hop, skip, and a jump for me. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna jump over this creek. I made it. Okay, so what do those words mean? A hop, skip, and a jump. Okay, well, you know what jump means. Jump is just kind of a general word for any kind of a jump. You can jump forward, you can jump up, you could jump back. Now, what is a hop? A hop is kind of a little jump. We use the word hop especially for rabbits. If a rabbit, you know, the way a rabbit moves, that's called hopping. Okay. Now, what about the word skip? Well, the word skip has a few different meanings, but in this term, hop, skip, and a jump, it means like a short hop forward. Okay, so very often you'll see people, maybe young kids, skipping along, and it means kind of like this, right? You're kind of hopping one foot at a time. Look at my feet. Okay, I'm kind of like skipping. This is called skipping. Okay, have you ever done skipping? Now, skipping is also what you do like with a rope, a jump rope or a skipping rope. You do skipping. Okay, so if I say the mountains are just a hop, skip, and a jump, just imagine it's those three words together. Okay, you can't say the mountains are a hop and a skip away from me, or the mountains are a jump and a hop away from me. No, you have to say those three words in that order. Okay, the mountains are a hop, skip, and a jump away. They're very close to me. Okay, hop, skip. They're a hop, skip, and a jump. Now you have to say it exactly that way. Hop, skip, and a jump. 5 words. Okay, you can't say a hop and a skip and a jump. No, not 3 ands there, right? It's a hop, skip, and a jump. So remember that. A hop, skip, and a jump away. Oh, guys, look at that tree. I should just try to, maybe if I block out the sun, the camera will, let me try to, come on, camera, brighten your, guys, I need to focus on something dark, and then it goes dark again. Do you understand how cameras work? Camera exposure. Anyway, guys, it's a beautiful tree. Bright yellow. You know what? I'm gonna take a picture of that and post it on Instagram. Guys, that tree is just so incredible. Let me just wipe off my camera lens here. That tree deserves a spot on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, just search for Mad English TV. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna post a picture. Oh, wow. That is amazing. That's an amazing tree, guys. So let me know, what is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from you? You could say, you know, the grocery store is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from me. The hospital, just a hop, skip, and a jump away. My friend lives just a hop, skip, and a jump away from me. Maybe you live in this house and your friend lives just over there in that house, right? It's just maybe it's close, right? It's just a hop, skip, and a jump away, right? So like I said, this is kind of relative. It depends on what you're referring to. For me, I think the mountains are very close. They're only 45 minutes to an hour drive. That's close compared to, I mean, do you live near nice mountains? Is it common for people in the world to live 45 minutes away from some nice mountains, some of the most beautiful places in the world? You know, so I would say 45 minutes is very close. It's not far, right? I just need to buy myself a fuel efficient vehicle. Let me know what kind of a vehicle, you know, would you recommend for me? I keep thinking I should just buy like a, I don't know, just like a nice, you know, something that's really good on gas. That would cost me maybe, because for some of the vehicles now, they take like maybe 6 or 7 liters per 100 kilometers. Okay, so to drive 100 kilometers, which the mountains are about 100 kilometers away from me, so it takes 6 to 7 liters of gas. Now, what's the price of gas right now? I don't know, let's say $1.30. Okay, so that would take me, I would be able to get from here to the mountains. That dog wants to go to the mountains. So I would be able to drive from here to the mountains for $10 of gas, and then back $10. So that'd be $20 for a nice day trip. Can't spend the night out there because camping is too expensive, and hotels they're just way too expensive. But to drive do day trips back and forth, you know, if you have a really, you know, fuel efficient vehicle, that's not too bad. $20 for a nice day trip to the mountains and back, that would be doable. But the thing is, if you have like a big truck or like an SUV or some kind of a gas guzzler, it's going to cost you at least $20 per way, maybe more. So then you're looking at like $40 or $50 just for a day trip. It's kind of like, you know, do I really want to go there, or should I just stay at home? So if I had a really good fuel efficient car, I think I would go to the mountains maybe once a week. So I don't know, they're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from me, guys. So let me know, guys, down in the comments, what is just a hop, skip, and a jump away from you? Maybe you live near some nice places, and you can say, Mark, I live just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the jungle or away from the beach. That would be awesome. If you live like pretty close to the beach, I should come visit you. That would be awesome. If you just live a hop, skip, and a jump away from the beach, man, I'm jealous. I love beaches, guys. They're amazing. So there it is, guys, a hop, skip, and a jump. Now you know what those words individually mean, right? Hop, skip, jump, but together they mean not far, a very close distance, right? So guys, I wish you were just a hop, skip, and a jump away from me, but you probably live on the other side of the world. I don't know. Which country do you live in? Let me know down in the comments which country you live in, guys. I'm here in Canada. It's nice. It is a nice country, guys. So with that, wish you a great day. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, happy wherever you are, and I love you so much. And as always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.